Welcome to the 6th week of my 100,000 FTMO challenge. In this video, I'll share my weekly plan and results. No BS, let's go. All my pairs have potential this week. Gold is trading in the middle of a daily range, consolidating within a lower time frame range. On H4, I'll watch for a clean range break and stay open to both buy and sell setups. For now, I'm slightly biased to buy. GU is trending up on the daily but down on H4. Price dropped into a major daily support and started consolidating on lower timeframes. On H4, I'll wait for a clean range break to set my bias and stay open to both directions. Profit potential looks solid either way. UJ is trending up on both the daily and H4, making a new daily high with strong bullish momentum. On H4, I'll mainly look for buy setups if price trades above the major resistance. If price drops below that level and breaks the H4 uptrend, I'll switch my bias to sell. GJ remains in an overall uptrend, consolidating at a weekly resistance. On H4, I'll focus on buys if price breaks above the range cleanly, but I'll also keep an eye out for potential sells if it breaks below the H4 range. Gold pushed straight to the top of the daily range and rejected all the way down. I missed a buy trade here because I was too focused on waiting for a H4 break and retest and ignored the upper H4 zone. That missed setup was a clean break and continuation buy with M15 trendline break and trend shift as entry confirmations and a 3R profit target. Gotta pay more attention next time. GU broke above the H4 range and pushed to the key zone before dropping. I took a break and retest buy right after the range break. Such a clean setup. The H1 bullish engulfing candle was my entry confirmation, but I waited for a better risk reward before entering. I closed the position at plus 3R, about 70% of my original target because my TP was a bit stretched. Turned out that was the right call. Execution, 5 out of 5. UJ dropped below the daily resistance and retraced slightly, but I missed a short here. It formed at 2 a.m. while I was sleeping. It was a simple break and retest sell with an H1 bearish engulfing entry. Unlucky, but it is what it is. GJ was still consolidating after breaking a range. The price action was just ugly as hell. I lost a break and retest sell, expecting momentum to continue after the breakout, which is pretty common. One thing I could have improved was recognizing the potential false break since price was still trading above support when I entered. Execution, 3.5 out of 5. This week was solid, but could have been better. It's a good reminder that small details make a big difference. If I was more experienced, I probably could have avoided that loss and grabbed one more win. That's a 4R difference. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and see you next time.